We would definitely have to well, I guess this fender's not actually bolted in yet. We would definitely have to roll the crap out of this fender or give us a little bit more camber, which we can do. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. I something about me really likes it. Something else really hates it. I don't know why. Maybe it's because there's only one. Maybe if I just had two. Yo, dude, that's actually not too bad. I know the boys wanted to see this thing when it was done, so. Okay, you may come look now.
Can I finish this piece first?
Yeah, you can finish the piece. Well, what are you doing? Let me see. Let me see how it's going.
I'm getting graded on this. Tim's grading me.
Dude, that's actually not bad. Tim was like throwing scraps like people who wrap cars do. He was just like hucking them on the ground when he was done. And I'm like, yo, we can't be doing this. There's gotta be something we could do with this. So Chris took it upon himself to use like a piece that already hit the floor to practice wrap that little front fender trim.
All right, so Tim's wheels on the Civi. It's like cross breeding. Oh, that's a Stancy Pants.
Oh, I like it. Yeah?
Oh man, that looks good. Wow.
Wow, I was like not sure.
That's straight up like douchebag Stancy Pants, but it looks beautiful. It actually cleans up the car.
It does, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, so we're going for sleeper look, right? I feel like these are like easy to look at, kind of what like a normal broke boy would do to this car. The one thing that is throwing the whole thing off for me is if you look right here, the fender flexes the tire when I jump on it.
Yeah, but all we gotta do is just...
No, I know, but that right now it's just sitting like this.
So like, you're saying we're pulling these fenders if you buy these wheels.
Even just like this and still the rust bubbles, if I park that with all my other cars,
yeah,
it won't look out of place. Cause like we got the fresh headlights, you can see the intercooler. You know what I mean? Like it looks like it's in progress, even though it technically won't be. All right, welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you guys have been following this little series, we got our coffee. Tim brought his new roller wrap, so we're back at it. I want to say thank you to everybody who supported us on the last merch drop and copped some merch. Remember that those signature tees will be available on the website all the time, so if you guys are waiting for a chance to get something, those should be in stock all the time. Tim's at it. He's wrapping. He's wrapping things up. We're making progress, okay? We're running out of time in the weekend to get all this stuff done, so he's got a lot to do, but he's in here killing it, dude. Dude, and you're getting good at wrapping, buddy.
Actually, that went pretty good.
Good job on the wrap. That was actually fast as, like, that was like, what, half an hour? Not bad.
Considering before when I first did it, it was an evening per fender.
Yeah, so you just rocked that, dude. We're gonna be able to get this done, dude. This looks so good. We're gonna leave you to wrap. You're the wrap man. We have business to take care of here.
Are we going to brackets?
We're going to brackets and mounting and finishing.
That was my drill bit breaking.
I feel like every time I drill something, my drill bit breaks. We have outfitted Tupperware, I guess. Most Miatas don't have this, so I don't know what everybody else who buys this kit is supposed to do. We lucked out to have this piece. We were gonna make our own out of like plastic, like ABS. We were trying to make like brackets and stuff. Then we realized this one has a slope. Slopes with the angle of the thing. And it's meant to sit there and hold the side skirt of the OEM one anyways. And that's gonna do the job. It's literally what it's meant to do. The real only question is if it's gonna sit high enough. That's like damn near perfect if you ask me.
Wow, that's... Are you serious?
Can't get any better.
No.
Yeah.
I actually think I skipped over in the videos so far. We only had 4 days to do this because Chris and Tim took off Friday and Monday, so we would have a 4-day weekend. And now it's Monday, and we want to get this thing on the ground today outside and just look at it. Considering it's already 1 o'clock, 12:50. We got 10 more minutes and I thought we're gonna make it.
10 more minutes, oh, that's the deal breaker right there.
Tim Tam needs to wrap this, the other side, and these. And we can do the door.
Do we want to do the door or the front?
Oh, we might as well cut what we're cutting. We'll use your project here as a lineup. So that's mounted. So if this is gonna come up and touch it essentially, right? Because they're gonna bolt together.
Buddy. Wow, that's gonna, yeah. That had to happen.
We could get rid of like all of this.
Yeah.
And then
because then we can suck it right to the bumper.
Yeah. Alright.
That's way better.
We're taping. Look. Say hi to the peeps. Say what's up, peeps. Or don't. Boom.
Is it rub?
No, but look how strong that is.
Yeah.
Without even putting anything there. So we'll put something there still, but like that's pretty solid. Wow, dude, that actually worked out so nice. Can you give me a high five? Please. High five. High five. I'll get you whatever this is pointing at if you give me a high five. What do you want? You gotta say the words. Hi, buddy. What do you want? Whoa. It's actually not, it's not on the locks right now because we were messing with it, so he would have totally just screwed Tim. Where it bolts to is round, so it ends up bolting like this. Okay, so now these are rock solid. Like these are joined basically, and nothing's going anywhere. And all we gotta do is basically get all the tabs and everything that he had. I don't know what's going on in the rear here. But once everything's good, you can put another one right here, and we can use it to control the gap. Because you can put it all the way up, you can put it all the way down, you can just put it somewhere in between and just get the gap exactly where we want it. Look at that. Perfectly gapped the whole way.
Yep.
And like pull on this, dude. Like no, that's actually like scarily strong. So both of these won't pull away from the car and the gap is tight. We got 3 more. Damn, all right, boys. We did it. We got the thick booty all done. So it's actually 2 full days after we finished this car up. I told you guys Chris and Tim took a long weekend. So they took Friday and Monday off. And we were so pressed for time Monday trying to get this thing buttoned up so we could get it outside and take a look at it. Because you guys know the inside looking at things never does it justice. You need to like get some distance. So we were trying so hard. Tim's family came over for a little bit to say hi. Chris had Wiles. It was a messy day and we didn't make our time cut. This is all mounted up. This side, we have the OEM mud flap on. You can see it's still red here because Tim didn't have a chance to rewrap these. So we cut these, installed them underneath this piece, which is super solid. You guys saw us put the brackets and stuff in there. We don't know if we like this. So I honestly feel like it's too round. When the Miata was stock, it looked super dope. I don't know what you guys think. It might be an outside decision, but this side, we don't have it. And I feel like once you have a nice stance, dude. We didn't run the duckbill. It was actually the only piece that didn't fit right. It was way too long. So when you ran it, it overlapped onto the headlight or the taillights quite a bit. And then these fit so good too, dude. Look at this. We got them all cut up. We got a little bracket on there. So like, they're all super solid. If you pull on this, you pull on the whole fender and like, dude, you could lift the car up by the fender. I know a lot of people probably don't have any faith in the 2-sided tape, but this whole Tupperware kit that came on the car was double-sided taped on and it was impossible to get it off. The only thing that Tim has to do is decide what he wants to do here. We never ended up doing that. He's got to obviously cut the bumper, but he needs to decide if he's gonna cut the bumper and this, or just the bumper, or extend this, or do something. Side skirts are on, mounted. We got our brackets. We got our bracket across. We have double-sided tape inside the seam holding all this. And I think that's it, dude. It looks killer. And obviously the other day before they went home, Chris and Tim threw the wheels on here just so you get like a general idea. But I have a better idea. And the boys are coming back when they're off work today, so we can do a little like, not necessarily reveal, but they want to see the car outside in the daylight, especially because this wrap needs to be in the daylight. The only reason we didn't do it the other day was because it was super dark outside and it wouldn't have looked good. A couple things we're gonna do before the boys get here. Look at, like, dude. Dude, on the camera, you don't even notice the wheel gap here. This looks mad. And then check out how beefy this boy is. Oh my God. Time for the final part of this plan. Kind of feels like I just caught someone in the middle of trying to rob this guy's wheels. So I know this feels a little extreme, but I put some 2x4s underneath the frame, so this thing's like, Tim's goals for this car is to bag it and obviously put like some sick stancy wheels on it. Being that this was the first kit, we needed to get it on to even get measurements for the wheels, because you can go off what they say, but it actually measures in different than what the website says. It's a good thing that he didn't get wheels yet. It's not gonna get done right now, and the fitment was a little bit whack. So instead of having Tim come over here and looking at it and being like, oh wow, I love the kit, like I can't wait till I have cool fitment, and I'm gonna go around and do this for him before he shows up, because dude, holy shit, this is insane. Oh my God, that thing is thick. I want him to show up and I want him to see the car like as it would truly be, and just get him like the maximum amount of excited as possible. So it's not gonna be like a major surprise because he knows exactly what the car looks like, but I think it's gonna be a really cool reveal considering it basically looks complete. Okay, easy guy. Yo, that sounds surprisingly nice.
Not bad, eh?
Okay. You already know what it looks like, so it's not like it's fancy underneath the tarp, but I did take your wheels off, drop it down on 2x4s and
oh, you did?
wheels. Yeah.
You ready? Stand back, pull your pants up.
Give her, buddy. Ooh. Is so good.
That looks like 100 times better on the ground.
Holy shit. That's nice, eh? I was pumped.
Crap. With the roll bar? Oh, through the window? Oh, buddy.
Man, that is wild. So how in comparison, did you try like lifting the wheel up at all to see how close it is to the frame, or?
Well, the problem is that your rotors are hanging too low. So every wheel right now is jammed underneath your brake. You killed the wrap too.
This is like my favorite angle right now. Just seeing the meat and the Stancy boy stance.
Is, eh?
Unreal, man.
Can't get over that, man. We killed it.
Honestly, the fact that we did this in like really just 4 days.
3.5, 4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, even Saturday was like barely a day.
Yeah, I guess Friday half the day was loading up the car and bringing it.
Oh yeah, Friday all we did was stick around. So we really did this in 3 days, dude. I think we killed that.
Dude, look at this angle. Just right here. Like, I can't wait, dude, to see this.
On the road.
In the rearview mirror.
I know. I know. I know, that's what I'm saying. Dude, I was all by myself. I couldn't even Snapchat you. Yeah, I'm like making it look so good and I'm like, oh, I was out here all alone. Even the front fitment is a little bit less than the rear, like as far as how much width you gained, but it looks perfect. Like any more would be too much from this front angle.
It kind of reminds me, and I've seen a couple comments, you know, someone was saying it looks like a Porsche, and you know, the typical little narrow front end with the...
It's true, it does. This side looks weird. The mud flap is too round compared to everything else. I think. I don't know, you tell me.
If I had to say which one was better, I think this side.
Yeah.
I'm just only because, you know, you got like the curve and then you got the edgy, a little bit of curve but edgy.
And then that's all round.
This, like,
yeah.
Soft lines.
Oh yeah, that's too blobby to be with this.
So happy for you. Like, this is so sick. What a comeback, man.
This is like way too far away.
Bringing back the Civic days, even better.
Yeah.
Okay, so like, how happy are you? 1 out of 10, buddy.
Oh,
like
11-teen.
11-teen. I'm so stoked. I hope you guys like also like this. I'm gonna let Tim keep doing donuts around this thing. It's really cold and it's like snowing, raining. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys like this. Tim, good job, buddy.
Hope you guys like it.
I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay warm. Or committed if you want. Is this Shakira? Damn, boy. He's even got the foot tap going. Hey, buddy. Just because who knows what you're gonna get up to. You're gonna wear these, okay? No, leave them on. It's important. Leave them on. It's important. Okay?